Hi, Dr. Salazar. I wanted to go ahead and show you what I did in your course. So I'm in here in selected topics and education, and I'm going to go to your groups first. I'm going to show you what I did. All right, these are the groups that were tied to a discussion topic, and you like these groups. You want to keep these groups the way they are. You like the group members just the way they are. Notice that the name of this group category, we've got it titled, What is Culture? Probably since you're going to use the same groups for every discussion post in your course, you want to maybe change this to something general that is tied more to your class. This sounds like this title is geared more towards a specific topic. So it could be culture class or groups for this class, something like that. And that title is easily changed by clicking on this drop-down arrow and editing this category. Okay, you can change the category name right there and just save it. Okay. So what I've done is, and that's the only category that you have. You had several other group categories, but I deleted those because they were not being used, and this is the one that you like. So now we're going to go over here to discussions. And this is the very first discussion. This is the one that you like. And you notice that each one of these groups is separated out into what we call a topic, group 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this was done this way probably because when you initially set up groups, you chose to use these groups in discussions, and so it created one workspace. And when I say workspace, it created one forum and then the 6 group topics right here. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Then we're going to skip this topic right here because everybody responded to that one. It wasn't tied to a group. This is one of the forums and topics that you said that you wanted your groups to appear in. And so what I have done is I created a topic because all you had was a forum here. In order for students to be able to talk to one another, they need a topic right down here. So it was really easily done. From your forum, I clicked on this drop down arrow right here and I clicked on Edit Forum. And that was your instructions right there for the discussion posting. But if I come over here to restrictions, then I'm allowed to select the category of groups that I want. And like I said, this is where you might want to change the title because the only category I had was the category of 6 groups that are titled What is Culture. So if you change that title, then this would say culture groups for my class or something like that. Okay, but this is telling me for this forum, these groups are going to be able to answer. It's the same groups that we had initially. Additionally, what I did was I created a topic because the topic, like I said before, that's how students talk to one another. I'm not going to add it now because I've already added it. So I clicked Save and Add Topic, and then I just added a space to where students can now go in and answer this question up here within their groups. And I did the same thing here for the integration of categories equilibrium. I created a topic and restricted it to this group. So you're probably wondering, well, what does the student see? Well, I also went in and I impersonated one of the students that you have. Slide this over real quick. And her name is Monica. And so I just went into her account. Here she is. This is your class. And I'm in as Monica Barrows. And so if I come down here to this, we can look that this is what she's going to see when she logs in. So she'll click right here and then she'll start a new thread. I went ahead and did this and just put the word test and word test, but we see this is all, she's only able to see group 1, which is the group she's a part of. I hope this makes sense, some kind of sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. One thing I did notice is that you don't have any kind of assessment tied to this. In other words, there's no grade item and this isn't going into the grade book. I don't know if that's something that you want to do, but if it is, reach back out to me. I can help you set up those grade items and get those into your grade book. If you have any questions or need any additional information, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks.